Hey there, I'm Rachel with Everyday Good Looks. I've got my nifty hair turban on today, and we're going to do a video on how to use the Revlon one-step hair dryer and Velcro rollers to create a voluminous look in our hair. So stay tuned and we'll get started. I'm going to begin by removing the turban in my hair, and this is just so that I don't have to blow dry it. It's already done the hard work for me. I mean, I'm still going to blow dry it with the one-step hair dryer, but it's gotten all of the very wet hair dried and now it's just damp. I'm just gonna run my fingers through and then I'm going to brush it. This is the awesome Mason Pearson Popular brush. I love it. It really doesn't pull out the hair at all. No split ends with this brush. It is on the pricey side, but it is a brush you can have forever if you keep good care of it. So I'm just gonna make sure that my hair is really smooth, especially the ends. And then I'm going to prep the hair with Color Wow. And I've used this before in my videos. This is a product that will stay in your hair for 3 washes. And it's called Dream Coat. And you just spray it in the roots and underneath the hair. And it really does last for 3 washings. I'm gonna put it down underneath the hair on the mids and ends. And then I'm gonna run it through. It makes the hair shiny, it detangles, it heat protects, and it stops humidity frizzing, which I get pretty bad. Even though I live in the dry desert, I still get frizz. I'm going to put in one more thing also, Kerastase Ultimate Elixir. I'm just going to do like 3/4 of 1 pump, and it's pretty liquidy, but I'm just going to rub it in my hands, put it in the mids and ends. This is also a heat protectant and it makes it shiny and soft. And there's just a tiny bit left on my hands. I'm gonna rub through the top, just the smallest amount. As you can see, my hair already looks smoother. All right, let's get started. I'm gonna start by sectioning off the top hair. And I'm just going to use my claw clip there to hold it in place. And now we've got the bottom hair out. I'm going to brush it through a little. And next I'm going to get my Revlon one-step hair dryer. I'm going to put it on low because the high is very hot and it will burn your hair unless you have very thick, coarse hair. So I'm going to use low. And I'm just going to go section by section. And after I finish a section, I'm going to put a Velcro roller in. And I'm mostly going to use the biggest size in the kit. And I will have links to everything down in the description box, of course. And I think the curlers were under $10. And this Revlon blow dryer I think was 25 or 30. I've had mine for a year now and it still works really great. All right, so I'm gonna put a curler in that piece. Got a good amount. So I'm gonna use this large pink one. There we go. If you're having a hard time with it staying in, you can put one of those claw clips, like I have up here, in the curler, but they stay pretty well. My hair is very heavy. So I've got like a 2-inch section here, and I'm just taping it in every direction, over and under, until it's all the way dry. And That turban did a good job of getting all the heavy wetness out of my hair, but it's still a little wet. All right, time for the next large curler. And I'm going to turn around and we'll do the back. I could probably do this one in 2 sections. I think I will. Really want to blow dry this part up so that it will have lots of body. Okay. I'm going to use the purple. It's a little bit smaller on this piece. Next, I'm going to take the very underneath back part and blow dry it as well as I can with my hands back like this. Okay. Big one. And you don't have to worry about it being perfect. Like, as you can see, there's a couple strands hanging down. We'll fix those just by putting those in the curlers. And let's see. We've got this little piece right here. I'm just gonna throw in the very smallest curler in there, and it will be just fine. All right, now we're gonna take the top part down and lay it down carefully so we don't ruin what we've done. So I'm just kind of gonna section it out, and I'm gonna start with this front, and I'm gonna blow dry it out and up a few times, and to the side, and to the other side. I'm kind of doing a small piece on this one because it's in the front and I want it to look nice. And then I'm gonna roll that backwards, like towards the back wall there. I'm gonna take this other front section and do the same thing. Roll it backwards. And if it doesn't want to stay, let's put a clip in there. All right. Don't worry if it looks a little messy. It will all get taken out and cleaned up later. Okay, now we're here on the side. Just getting it dry. Going in every direction again. The hair looks so pretty sliding through there with those products we put in. All right. And with this one, oops, I dropped one. Got a little piece right there that needs to go in. I'm also going to go backwards with this one. I don't have any more clips with me. It's just going to have to survive. This is kind of the side underneath piece, and I'm going to use the purple curler that's a little smaller in this one, just to give it a little more dimension. All right. This looks like a hot mess, doesn't it? Don't worry, we're gonna clean everything up afterwards. All right, so I've got a couple pieces back here that I've gotta do. I'm gonna do this one first. I'm gonna bend down so you can see. Let's see, where are we here? There we are. Okay. Another pink one rolling towards the back. This one's really falling, that's okay though. Okay, we've got our last piece. It's kind of a conglomeration of everything there. And we're gonna put in our pink one. It looks like a hot mess right now. There's hairs everywhere, but I'm gonna wait 5 minutes and come back. And when I come back, it is gonna be so voluminous, so sleek, and a little bit wavy curly. So I'm just gonna do one last spin to let you see what it looks like. And I'll be back in 5 minutes. All right, I'm back. I went and had breakfast and it's been about 5 minutes, and I did run to the bathroom and just blow dry all these curlers to make sure that they were nice and dry. And then I did put a clip in this curler that was falling down right here. So now I'm going to take them out, and you'll be amazed that this messy mess is going to turn into something nice. So here we go. We'll start at the bottom. And as I take it out, I'm just going to kind of brush through it with the curler. As you can see, it has more body than it did before, and it's got a bit of curl in it. It's kind of gonna look like a salon blowout, I hope. What I think of a salon blowout anyway. And if you don't like the way the curl is going, you can kind of work with it till it's going where you want. Perfect. Take the clip out. If you guys ever seen these claw clips, they're so awesome because they're hinged right there, and they stay in really well and they don't leave a crease. All right, this is messy, but I'm just gonna brush through it with the curler and lay it down. And this one also has a clip in it. All right. And I am going to, of course, smooth it out after I'm done taking all these curlers out. All right. Hope the back looks okay. You can't see it. There's that little one that was on a wispy. It's really stuck in my hair. I think it got stuck on another piece. All right. And there's this one. And is this the last one? All right. I believe we used, let's see, 3, 6, 8, 9, 10 curlers. Okay, so now I kind of want to fix my part here. Got a mirror over to the side. And got lots of volume. Now if you wanted to take a flat iron to this, you totally could, and it would look beautiful. I'm just gonna leave it because I like to have some volume. And I'll turn around so you can see it. I'm gonna come up a little so you can see the bottom. So I'm gonna turn around. And back the other way. I hope the back looks okay. All right, well, there you have it. Revlon one-step hairdryer and Velcro rollers for body, volume, and a little bit of curl. Let me know what you think by leaving a comment, and thank you so much for watching.